Now, you may all know that if you put a tablet like an Alka-Seltzer or an aspirin or even a vitamin C tablet in water, it will start to fizz and dissolve. And this is because the acid, usually citric acid, and the alkali, usually sodium bicarbonate, are reacting together in the water. And one of the things they produce is carbon dioxide gas. So that is the fizzing you hear and the bubbles that you see. Now, if we do that same reaction, but we put it into an enclosed container, say for example, like a film canister, or even a vitamin C container, we can get that carbon dioxide gas to build up inside and get that pressure to increase. And if that pressure increases so much, eventually the whole thing will pop. And that's what I'm going to do for you now. So I'm going to fill this film canister up with cold water about halfway up the side, which is about 20 mils. Then I'm going to add half an Alka-Seltzer tablet, put the lid on, turn it upside down until the whole thing pops. And you can change the amount of time for your experiment to pop depending on how much water you fill your container with, the size of your container, and even the amount of Alka-Seltzer that you put in. Now, it's not going to be exactly the same time every time. It does have a bit of variation, but that's always the fun in experiments, I think. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more science videos from me, and thank you so much for watching.